Good morning, everyone. Another day in my life in Egypt. Let's eat some Egyptian breakfast here. We have the full. It's an Egyptian full. It's very nice. It's homemade, guys. It's so delicious. And we have some bread, an Egyptian bread. It's so good combination and I really love it. Every day we're eating full to have some energy, and we have this eggplant. They call it like biningan, guys. It's so tasty. They just put some salt on it, fried and salt. And this one is tamea, guys. It's some kind of the beans also, and they smash it and they make it tamea. It's still winter here in Egypt, guys. As you can see, I'm still wearing my hoodies, long sleeve. I'm feeling really so cold every morning. Especially, it's very hard to wake up in the morning, guys, really. So, let's enjoy our food. I'm trying to be healthy. Actually, I've learned how to eat some herbs, leaves here in Egypt. It's very healthy. It's good for our body. And this onion, I really love to eat onion with the tamea and the full. I really like it. It's nice. And the first time I tried it, like, ew, what is this? Why I'm eating like, because usually, guys, in our country, we usually eat some processed food, some noodles, and I really love those kind of foods. But since I met my husband, it's changed everything from ups and down, guys. Since this morning, guys, I'm really starving. I really want to eat something heavy, and this kind of food is, I really love it. It makes me very energetic from morning to afternoon, guys. If you haven't tried this kind of food, guys, you must try it right now. Since I came here in Egypt, I really eating a lot. I swear, I've been gaining a lot of weight since 3 months back, and I can't stop eating, guys. This food really makes me so addicted. And we actually eat 3 times in a day, guys. This is our breakfast, and the afternoon, in the lunch, we're going to eat something heavy as well, like a beef or chicken. And also in the night, in the dinner, we're going to eat also some potato or some like this kind of food in the night, some full or biringan. It's so healthy, guys, I swear. And everything, guys, is fresh in here. These vegetables is coming from our garden. This type of vegetable, I don't know what is it, but I tried to eat it. There's no taste at all, so I give it to my husband. It's like cast only, but I don't know, it's like just water inside. I know it's kind of healthy. I'm really eating a lot, guys. I don't know how I can stop eating like this. It's so much for me, and I'm really gaining a lot. I don't know how I can stop my weight. And I really love to eat Egyptian food, guys. So I don't know. Even I am eating some healthy food, but still, guys, can you please tell me what I can do now? And now, guys, I'm about to finish my breakfast. My husband and father-in-law, they just finished the breakfast. So I'm the one left on the table. So I need to finish everything in the table, guys. I'm so sorry for the plates, but alhamdulillah. If this plate is talking, she will tell me, leave me alone. So now I am going to wash the plates, guys. So alhamdulillah, really I'm full now. So we're done, guys. It's time to make the tea. So one for me, one for my father-in-law, one for my husband. This is a very usual thing we're doing, guys. After the food, we are making tea, drinking tea. Especially in the winter, we're drinking tea like 4 times in the day. Since it's very cold, it makes our body warmer. And I'm removing some kind of bubbles from the water here. And mixing it very well, so the tea will be colored, will be more darker, so it will not be that very light tea, guys. So it's done, guys. I'm going to give their tea, and my husband is outside under the sun because of the weather. It's really hot. It's very nice to stay outside under the sun. It's get your body warmer. And look at the tea, it's so hot. I still need to wipe some things in the table. Then I am going to drink my tea just after a few minutes, guys. So after this, guys, we're going out to get some fruits outside of our garden. They called it nab. I showed you just after a few minutes. So here is our nap tree, guys. It didn't take round in that side before, baby, huh? This one? This one. One. You see? One. I'll take it. Only one. Oh, they're still there. See. I think this also there. This is one. Oh, sweet. Keep it. There's big there. See this. Those three. 1, 4, 1, 5. Yeah, guys, so we're going outside, me and my husband. This time we are having some appointment to our doctor for the first time here in Egypt. I'm so excited. I want to see how they are going to communicate with me. And I'm kind of a little bit disappointed, guys, because at this time we are really so hoping to see the doctor. At this time, as you can see, we are really prepared for everything, and I bring also my papers, but suddenly the doctor give us so much of time of been waiting. So here we are waiting now for about 30 minutes, and then here we are waiting for 1 hour, and they told us to wait for more 30 minutes, and it's enough, guys. So we go and we find some coffee shop that have some very good dessert, and I really love this. It's Despacito, guys. So I'm going to visit them again next time, and this Despacito remove everything in the day, all those the tiredness of the day, guys. So I'll see you guys on my next vlog, and I'm so happy to visit Despacito, and they even give me a gift, guys. Actually, this the heart one for the Valentine's. Happy Valentine's, everyone. More love, guys, in this coming Valentine's. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.